Don't look. First transaction in this, the money is not given.
आप शाम को 1000 रुपया दो।
Actually, first time charge.
First time charge. Oh, very good.
ना एक डिपॉजिट करके दिखाओ। He says even if somebody is ill, if they have to go to hospital, they need cash. Immediately cash. Deposit into loan account. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, I know you by this month and you put it in all the other 18-19. You can do. And earlier,
Doctor, the other 18-19 CSPs that we have over here, I am announcing that you have to provide this facility there by this month end.
and I will give you two good news. Open, it asks this account number. 3003566. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಇಪ್ಪಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ದಿನ. ಅನೇಕ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುದಿನ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಿತರಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. 62 ಸಂಘಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಗಾಗಿ ನಿಗದಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಮೆಹ್ರಾ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಛೋಟಾ ATM ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ GP ರೇ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು and also we have done more than 70 programs sir already Ashwini Mehra sir with the help of NABARD, and it has received a very good response from the people. So we want to do it again with your support sir. Because of the light, I don't know how much we can see. We can only try. Okay. Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಘ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗೇಶ್ವರ.
हमारे को सब गरीब लोग अच्छे नहीं, ये ज्यादा बनने की बहुत चुक गया, बहुत अल्लाह की वजह से अच्छा।
बैंक को भी आपसे बहुत फायदा।
हाँ, बैंक का अब तो बहुत फायदा है। हमें 50,000 रुपये हमारे संघ में देखो बराबर में चला लेको बन के वो टाइम को डेट को मैं चुकता कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा भी चल रहा है इंशाल्लाह।
Santosha. I know very little Kannada, so I will take the help of Dr. Salimat to tell you what exactly I have to deliver. I am actually delighted to be here today amongst all of you. You are actually the backbone of the Indian economy, and you have, through your actions, and as Mahatma Gandhi used to say, that India lives in its villages. So until and unless the villages prosper, India cannot prosper. State Bank of India has been supporting rural development ever since its inception in 1955, and we continue to do so. In fact, today our portfolio in rural areas is in excess of 4 lakh crores of rupees. It is very necessary that the banking sector in India remains strong if it has to make a difference to the rural areas of the country. Banks actually recycle the money which they receive from depositors, and the recycling is done through loans which are extended to one and all, including all of you over here. And if the repayments of these loans are on time, the bank is that much more enabled to extend more help to more and more people. It is therefore necessary that this money is recycled properly, and I am very happy to note that this is one village which has shown that with nil NPAs, non-performing assets, you have shown the way forward for all other villages around in this state to have a very healthy rural development along with a very, very healthy and prosperous relationship with the bank. I am therefore happy to announce the availability that the bank will make from my discretionary fund of solar lighting in this particular village. I pray to God that each and every one who is here, your families and those from the village who could not make it here today, do prosper and continue to make India and the state of Karnataka more and more strong economically, socially and culturally. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
When the Vattikutti Foundation joined with IDF and came into Kunigal area with an idea to start a poverty alleviation initiative roughly about 3.5 years ago, we had an idea to start on a small scale and build up to a very large community-based system where all of you would take care of your own financial needs. This would not have been possible without the wholehearted support of the State Bank of India. Starting from many chief general managers that have been through the State Bank of India's Karnataka branch, to Mr. Ashwini Mehra, who is now proceeding with promotion to Mumbai as the Deputy MD. They have gone all out to support Kunigal in meeting its objectives of self-sustaining this community. Mr. Ashwini Mehra has personally taken interest and supported the programs that have been enforced in the entire Kunigal to such an extent that from a very small credit linkage, the present credit linkage in the entire Kunigal has risen to 151 crores in the last 3 years. This is a very, very sizable amount that has been pumped into this area, and it is visible in your enthusiasm and the change it has made in your life. In the same way, and ensuring that the name of your GP as well as the way that you have been carrying out your day-to-day activities continues in the same manner. Without taking more time, I would like to convey your good wishes to our Deputy MD, Mr. Ashwini Mehra, and wish him Godspeed and all the very best in life.
ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಮೆಹರಾ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.